Hello folks, today we're going to do the under bonnet checks in a Toyota Corolla Axio, which is an automatic Toyota Corolla, and it's also a hybrid as well. So let's go and open the driver's door in this car and let's have a look and open the bonnet. So inside the driver's door, down on the right hand side, we just pull the lever here to open the bonnet. That's it, and it flicks back just inside the door there. And now we go to the front of the car and open the bonnet. Now, to open the bonnet, we just pull the bonnet up a little bit, and there's a lever inside under the bonnet. You just push it up and the bonnet comes up, and then you just make sure to pull up this lever and stick it in over here to make sure that the bonnet stays up while you're doing the checks in there. Right, and there's the lever. You just push up there to take the hook out from behind the catch here. The hook to be in there. You just push the lever, it takes the hook out, and the bonnet goes up. Now, in the Corolla Axio, you have a combustion engine and you have the hybrid engine. Okay. You have coolant for both of them. Coolant for the combustion engine is here. As you can see, it says coolant on the top of the coolant container. And the way you check the coolant for the combustion engine is down the side of the tub there. You can't see it now, but it would say full and low. And that's how you know if you've coolant in that tub or not. The coolant then for the hybrid engine is the pink fluid here. That's the coolant. And to check the coolant on this hybrid engine, it says full and low just there now on the tub. Okay, full, low. Now, how would you check the engine oil in the combustion engine? Again, standard enough. Here's your dipstick. So you would take out the dipstick, and by the way, you don't do this in the test, you just tell them how it's done. You would take out that dipstick, give it a clean with a cloth or a rag, put it back in, take it out a second time and read the level of oil on the dipstick. There's a minimum and maximum mark on the dipstick. If you're short a drop of oil, then you can put some in here. See, it says engine oil on the top of that. Okay? Yes. Now, windscreen water for the wipers. The water bottle is here, and that's where the washer fluid goes in. Okay, into that container there. How would you check the brakes in the car from under the bonnet? You check the brake fluid. That's just here. Okay, and again, it says maximum here, and it says minimum down there. Okay. The next thing you might be asked to do a check on is the steering. Now, in this car, the steering is electronic, so if there's a problem with the steering, then a dash light will come on inside in the car in front of you when you're driving, and you might also feel the steering gun is gone a little bit heavy in the car if the steering is gone, if the power steering is gone as well. Okay, but to keep an eye out for that light on the dashboard inside in front of you on the car, in the car when you're driving. So folks, that's the checks now that you might be asked to do in this Toyota Corolla Axio hybrid car. Hoping that helps you with your driving test. Until the next video, thanks very much folks for listening. Give us a like or subscribe to our channel for further videos. Thank you very much. Bye for now.